Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm the CTO at WorkMovr, and we provide offline or disconnected native mobile apps for Caspio, usually on tablet and either Android or iPhone and or iPad. And we use the Ionic language to write the native apps. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so we want to work on a tablet, usually a tablet without internet, because we're remote from internet or in the basement of a building where there's no internet or something like that. Okay? So this is how it works. So the technician, while she still has internet access, she logs on through the tablet into Caspio, and she gets a list of the work orders that are open. Okay, and then she selects which work orders she wants to work on today, and or which location she wants to work on, and then Caspio transfers the relevant work order information, the location information, onto the tablet where it's stored in SQLite. And that's surprisingly quick. I mean, just a matter of a couple of seconds. It's really good. Okay? And then she goes to the site where she doesn't have internet and logs onto her tablet and starts going through the work order with a checklist. Takes pictures, checks off planned maintenance items and whatever, okay? And now what we do is every time she does one action, we write a record to SQLite, okay? So we don't just have like a big text file, like every action she takes, we write a record to SQLite, and that's important for the data integrity when we synchronize, okay? And so she finishes her work, goes back, perhaps stops at Starbucks where they've got internet, and then what she does, she just says synchronize. And now what we do is that we run through the SQLite database on her tablet, and one by one we write each of those many records, could be 100, 200 records, one by one into MySQL on AWS. And so for every record, we get an acknowledgement back that it was successfully transferred. So it's not just like a text transfer, it's record by record. So we've got perfect data integrity. The reason we use this AWS sort of intermediary here is really to throttle the transactions so we don't overload the Caspio APIs, because there could be 2 or 3 technicians synchronizing at the same time. So we get all the transactions with perfect data integrity from the several tablets into AWS, and then we write one by one. So it's a sort of a, limiting the transactions per second going from AWS into Caspio. And then Caspio is updated. We also do concurrency lockout on the various work orders in Caspio while they're being checked out. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.